So I'm back at Finley Nissan of Henderson again for some more parts today. And it looks like business is back to normal. The CDK data breach, as far as we know, it's over. So I'm on my way out the dealership, guys, and it is a very interesting turn of events. So I came to order the nuts and bolts for the 4-link suspension in the rear. I'm going to show you guys the part numbers here in a second, but I'm also going to share some vital and very important information with you, because if you don't pay attention, you'll get got. So I spent this morning researching part numbers and prices. I already had the bolt here. This is the part number, right? I already had this sitting in my workbench at home in my garage. And then here's the corresponding numbers for the nuts right here, right? So the Nissan dealership that I usually go to for my parts is called United Nissan. That's actually where I bought my 5th Gen Ultima. But that dealership is it's a ways away from my home. This dealership here, Finley Nissan of Henderson, and they just recently rebranded. I can't remember what their previous name was, but it's always been a Nissan dealership. But nonetheless, guy in the parts department, he rang these up, and when it was time to give me my total, it was like $66. I was like, whoa, wait, no, there's no way. Why is it so much? I started having him itemize the prices for me, because I just looked up the parts on NissanParts.com. They're relatively cheap there, but then you would have to pay for shipping, and you had to order a certain number of nuts. In this case, you had to order 10 of them. And then shipping was like another $16, $17. So I was like, let me just try and get them locally and see if I can save myself a few dollars. Anyway, the price at my dealership, had I went there and ordered them and had them delivered there and then just go to pick them up, my out the door price would have been like right around $55. Not bad, right? So I was like, hey man, it's $66 and change. I was like, I'm not really comfortable with that price. And I was actually about to walk out and he stopped me. He was like, whoa, if you could get me the actual price that the other dealership is charging you, maybe I can do a price match. So I was like, okay. Luckily for me, I actually took a picture of what was on my computer when I was researching the parts. Not so much expecting to run into this particular issue, but I'm glad that I did. And I was able to save myself quite a bit. See the big difference from $66 versus the $43.87? The intention of this video is not to bash the dealerships, because again, they're in business to make money, right? Now, the price that's listed there on the left, that's what they wanted to charge me, and the price on the right is what they were able to do for me in terms of offering a price match. So again, $9.21 a piece for the 4-link suspension bolts, and then $6.15 for the nuts. So yeah, guys, know what you're ordering before you get to the dealership. Do some shopping around, and this way you don't get got. And you can thank me by smashing the like button on this video, and if you're not subscribed, think about subscribing. And while you're at it, don't forget to share and comment as well. Once again, my name is Chris, and this has been the Camper Dan Files.